Scalenut, and yeah, article writer. Let's just do create, and we can create an article. And let's just do, okay, we'll have to do keywords, so let's just do dog grooming LA, and we'll do this one. And yeah, let's click start, and you gotta give it some contests. Actually, what I like to do is just go here and just go to the about us and just straight copy what they have in the about us, because I think there's nothing better than this, right? And let's just do, okay, to proceed, click on create title. Where is create title? Okay, it's here. Please wait. Okay, got it. So we have to wait 9 seconds for this. So what I see here is this take a bit of time to get going. Okay, create title. Right, so let's just copy the title of the other article we generated before. Again, I want to keep this as streamlined as possible, and I want to try and make sure that the input of all these articles is the same or as close as, so that the output is as close as, so it can be actually comparable. And so we have to wait some couple of seconds usually. Let's just wait again for this to generate. I'll be back in just a few seconds. Alright, so it's done, and there we go. What we have here is the outline. Okay, and so we are going to proceed to have the article written, which I'm assuming it's clicking here. And we have a bit more control here of what the input is in terms of being more granular, but again, it's a more manual type of labor. And yeah, I mean, I'm all for automation, which I mean, this doesn't provide. This is a bit more manual, but let's just click generate content. Let's see what it does generate. It's interesting that you can create outlines. I don't dislike this, but again, it slows down the process of creation and iteration. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. Let's see what it does generate. Again, we'll have to wait a couple of seconds here for the content to generate, but I'm guessing it will generate content based on all of these inputs we gave you here. By the way, with Journalist AI, I didn't show you, but you can also select, because here you were selecting and changing up the headers. You can also do this here if you go to the structure and click here. So instead of automating the headings, you can just write them yourself, and you can write here whatever you want, right? You can add more and delete more. You can just change things up. So if you, for example, if you add this what is a dog, right, and leave this blank, these three H3s, right, these trees you see here, as well as the content inside of each one of these, will be based on what you've written here in the H2, right? So if you write this one, I don't want to write these will be automatically generated based on this one, based on the context of the one above. So again, you can more or less do the same that they do here, right? Manually if you like, right? So that's that. Yeah, let's just wait again for this to be done, and I'll be right back. All right, there we go. And again, we have the article right here. Yeah, I mean, looks okay. Again, we're missing the images, we're missing the links, we're missing things that I think are important to add to an article, right? Links, bullets, tables, quotes, when it makes sense, of course, right? I guess we can export this to the editor and it will be the same. Yeah, okay, so it's the same as before, as the other AI writer I tested. So I guess I'll have to give this one a B, because again, I mean, actually, let's give it an A, because the thing is that they're lacking automation, and even so, even if we were to put automation aside, they're lacking, they're not feature rich, right? I can go here, of course, and add videos and images, but why don't I just use Journalist AI that generates the content, and by looking at the context of the content itself, as well as what the site is and all that, it adds the images for me, right? The images, the videos, the links, all this on autopilot, and it works for any niche. And if I'm missing something, I can just go here to the editor, and I can add these things myself, right? These ones look like they work backwards, right? They generate less stuff, and I want you to add the stuff. With Journalist AI, they'll give you everything you need, and you can add more things on top or remove things if you don't want them there, right? So that's why, again, I'm biased, of course, but that's my reasoning behind this rating right here.